YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is I'm just kidding. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, aka Missy G, and it's nighttime. I haven't washed my face or anything, so I figured let me just show them what I do at night, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys my night routine, what I do every single night without missing a night. This is exactly what I do. So first I'm going to start off with my cleansing, and as you guys already know because I talk about it so much, I wash my face morning and night with Noxema. Lately I've been using the one with eucalyptus extract in it. I don't know, I just figured I would use it, and actually ever since I started using it I have seen a really huge change in my skin, the softness of my skin, everything. Like I've been seeing my pores minimizing too. So this is the first thing. So I'm gonna go ahead, wet my face a little bit, put some on, and come back. Alright you guys, so I have it on my face. What I usually do is I put it on and I leave it for like, 2 to 3 minutes, because it does have like this, like, how do I say it? It's not like a burning sensation, but kind of. So it has like that, tingling, burning sensation to it. So I don't like to keep it on my face too long because I'm scared it's gonna burn me. So I leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes. I know some people will just like put it on and rinse it right off, which I don't know if that's gonna work, but for me I've seen a really big improvement in my skin with just what I'm doing. So yeah, if you have acne scars and you wanna work on it, first of all go watch my video on that and then come back. Alright, so I washed it off and I dried my face. I really just take a little bit of warm water and cleanse, and then I wash it all off with some warm water. And I forgot to tell you guys, after it's all washed off, I put the water on cold real quick and just splash my face with cold water. I feel like that helps. So anyways, now let's go on to the moisturizing part of this. If you have like combination skin like me, then you can try it out. I know everybody doesn't have the same skin, so everything doesn't work the same for everybody. My skin is combination, so sometimes it'll be oily, sometimes it'll be really, really dry. It can depend on the weather. It just different factors come into play. So sometimes in the summertime it'll be really oily, but then other days it'll be really dry. Same thing with the winter time. So it just really depends on you, your skin. So the first thing I'm gonna take is this I only use at night. The illuminating eye cream from e.l.f. And you can pause the video again and go watch my review on this when I first started using it, yes. But this I only use at night only because it doesn't have any SPF in it and my under eyes are already really dark. So I don't put sunscreen around my eyes or anything like that. So I only use this at night. So just take it and I just, rub it in everywhere, even on the top. I just rub it in. Also I pat around my eyes. And I just want to tell you guys, like, don't go into skincare and try to improve your skin if you're not drinking water, because it's not going to do anything. Water is, first of all, I should have just started it off with that, because water is the first step to your skincare routine. Like, you can't go anywhere without some water. If you don't drink water, your skin's never going to be hydrated. You're never going to get it to where you want to be. You're going to always have breakouts. So definitely drink lots of water. Alright, now that that's all, in my skin, what I usually do, and this is also something that you guys have seen plenty of times on my channel. Again, I don't really change my skincare routine because I've tried so many different things and a lot of things make me break out, so I don't really like to change it up like that. But my Pond's, and I put a lot of this on, especially at night, so I like dab it on like if it's makeup, you know what I'm saying? Because we never have a problem putting so much makeup on our face, and then when it comes to like lotion and moisturizers, we want to take it easy. Like, no, we put our skin through all that for the whole day. No, we have to make sure we moisturize really good, and then your skin's gonna love you. So I just spread it everywhere, even my neck. I also think, like, this is not really an excuse, but it kind of is. Like, after I had my baby, my skin has been so bad, and it has been so hard up until a couple months ago to take care of my skin. So, I mean, not that I really took care of it before, but definitely after I had my baby, it's been way harder. Like, your whole life revolves around your child, your schedule, when you're able to take a shower, everything you do. So it's, you know, it's a little hard, but we'll get through it together as a team, as a community. Alright, so once that is all in my skin, your skin is starting to absorb everything. What I usually do, I'll let it dry into my skin, or I'll let my skin absorb it, and I'll just keep rubbing it in. You don't want to do like hard, like pulling rubs, because that's how you develop premature wrinkles. So you just want to gently just rub around and make sure it absorbs. And the last but the best part of my skincare routine, that I think is the reason why my skin glows a lot, not to brag, you know what I'm saying, subtle brag, but I think the main reason why my skin glows a lot, and I don't show this a lot on my channel, but I have showed it a few times, is this face serum that I use. So the specific company is called Nature Solutions, and it's hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C. So vitamin C is like, it brightens your skin. So I think this has helped me a lot since I started using it. So at night I drench everything onto my skin, because you're gonna sleep. You know what I'm saying? So all of that is going to absorb. And it's not like throughout the day where you're sweating, you're under the sun. Like, it's not like that. So when you should use the most products at night, if anything, and the least during the day. Truthfully, you should only really be using SPF during the day. Like, if we're really going to be honest here. So I just take that and I drop. Again, I use a lot of this. And on my neck. And I just mix it around the same way I do with my moisturizer. And just, it's gonna look like you have like oil on your face. Like cooking oil. But you don't, and it's gonna feel really, really nice. So this face serum, or any face serum at all that you're gonna be putting on at night, I wouldn't say to put it on and go directly to bed, because you're gonna stain your pillows. Like, you're gonna stain your pillows, your sheets. So put it on, you know, a couple minutes or so before you go to bed, or an hour at least, and just like let it absorb into your skin. This doesn't absorb as easily as my moisturizer does. This actually takes a while. I can sit here and rub it in my face all day, and it's not gonna absorb like that. So you really just have to let it absorb on its own, let it do its own thing, you know, while you sit back, relax, read a book, watch a movie. Just do what you gotta do, sis. But let me give you guys an up close and personal. So do you see these right here? So a lot of them are blackheads, but if you look at pictures of mine, or even like a YouTube video, they were so much worse. Also, my chin, or right here. You see that? I had so many scars right there before, and everything has just gotten so much better. I still complain about my skin because at the end of the day, we're human, right? And that's what we do. We never want to settle with what we have. So I know I have nice skin and I'm blessed, but I just need it to be better. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna need you to tell me in the comments down below what you want to see next from me. Give me some ideas, give me some challenges, just let me know. And I'm gonna need you to give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe first of all. I'm not even gonna tell you the stats because you guys already know. Subscribe.